everyone, so today we are going to be doing the 1-year-old slime versus 1-day-old slime challenge. By the way, thanks for 50 subscribers. Let's try to get to our goal of 100 subscribers. Here is the 1-year-old slime. It is not very stretchy since it's kind of dried up. It's basically a gummy slime, which is why I started off with a clear glue base. Remember that this determines the amount of slime you have. And now I'm going in with some water to get rid of that residue that this glue may leave. And I added some scent to the slime. Now I'm going in with some soap to make this a different texture. Now I know you're not supposed to do this, but I added lotion into clear glue again because this is how I made it a year ago. Then I added some red and yellow food coloring to get an orangey red color, and I had to lighten this up so that it matches the 1-year-old slime by adding some glue. And then I went in with some activator gradually. I used a teaspoon of borax and a cup of warm water. I kind of overactivated my slime, which is why I had to go in with some more lotion to this gummy slime. After adding lotion, your slime should become super stretchy and very clicky. And now, since my 1-year-old slime had foam beads, as you can see, I added that into this 1-day-old slime. And here is the ASMR. The 1-day-old slime is on the left and the 1-year-old one is on the right. I'll leave a poll somewhere asking which slime you prefer. I prefer the 1-day-old slime for sure. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you're from school, yes, I make slime videos. Here are today's shoutouts. If you want a shoutout, comment #subbed, and also subscribe to my channel to be featured in one of my videos like this shoutout here. Please remember to give this video a huge thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already so that we can reach 100 and turn post notifications on, and also comment any video suggestions. Bye!